Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You need admin rights and iTunes must be closed. That avoids file locks. First, press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC and end iTunes processes like iTunes Helper and Apple Mobile Device Service so the store can modify files. Once done, open Start and go straight to Microsoft Store or Settings Apps to find the Microsoft Store iTunes entry. You're starting the uninstall now rather than waiting for checks. This reduces conflicts and ensures the store has the permissions to remove app packages cleanly. Select iTunes in Settings Apps and click Uninstall. Confirm any prompts so Windows schedules removal. If you used Microsoft Store's app page, choose Uninstall there. Stores sometimes leave cached metadata. After uninstall, run WS Reset. EXE to clear the Microsoft Store cache. This prevents leftover entries and helps future installs. Make sure to restart Windows Explorer or reboot so file handles release and services restart cleanly. Doing these steps ensures the app is removed from both user and store catalogs and avoids corrupt leftovers. After uninstall, inspect C \program files and %app data for Apple or iTunes folders and remove them with admin rights to free disk space and registry remnants. If store still lists iTunes or errors occur, use PowerShell to remove apps package for the store package or reinstall the store app then uninstall again. If nothing works, run sfc/scano and dism restore health to fix system files, reboot, then repeat the uninstall. One key troubleshooting tip. Failing uninstalls often stem from running processes or corrupted store cache, so stop services and clear cache first.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.